Good afternoon, everybody. It is Friday, September the 16th. Fan Man Steve here once again. This is another USB portable fan here. This also came with the other one, which was the little SeekTech. This is a pretty cool looking fan here. Like the other one, it has a pretty cool design to it. This one's built different, but I'm pretty sure that this is the same thing. And it does have the little cartilage here on the back, and this is the cord that was hooked up to it. Actually, I think this was the original one that came with it. There's the switch there on the back. It's basically just a little button. This is a 3-speed too, by the way. Let's see what kind of batteries inside of it. If I can get that thing open. And yes, it has that big AAA battery inside of it. And this looks about the same size, but this one's I think this one's a bit different. There's the information off of the back of it there. It's got a code and stuff on it. It's got 5 plastic blades in it. It is a black color. And it has a little adjustable tilt to it. It's a pretty cool looking fan. Unfortunately, this does not have the name to it. I'm not exactly sure what the name of this is, but I'm pretty sure that this was another store branded fan. I don't think that this was made by any particular company, much like the mainstays and some of the other modern fans. This kind of looks like a lot of the little fans that I remember seeing in nail salons and stuff like that. I remember I would go to the nail salon with my mother when I was younger, and I would see a lot of these fans in those places. And I'm actually sure that they're probably using these in those facilities now. But they're not bad little fans. The quality to them is okay. But just like all the others, I'm pretty sure they require maintenance, keeping them clean and whatnot. I'm not exactly sure how this comes apart. It looks like it's basically just it was kind of built together. So with this being so cheaply made, these are probably just to run until they drop fans. But I don't think this has the oil brushes in them. Probably the magnetic brushes like this one over here. Let's go ahead and test this thing and see how it works. I think it's a little bit easier to get it from behind here. Okay, here we go. I think it's pretty powerful, actually. It's got some power to it. It is a little noisy. And yes, this thing actually has a startup sound on it. It's low, this is the medium. And that rattling noise kind of quiets down as it kicks up to speed. It's putting out a gentle breeze. I don't think it's as powerful as the other one, but it's okay. Kind of close. I'm sorry about the lighting in here, everybody. Well, it does have a little imbalance to it because it is dancing and jigging across the floor there. So I guess pretty much all you can do is deal with it. I don't have an airflow tester, but I think this is. I'm pretty sure that that you can feel it from the stream of the camera. Well, actually does have a name to it. Lights all. So no, this is not the same thing as the seat tech. Okay, let's go ahead and turn it off. Yeah, I do believe this is magnetic. How it comes to that, how it comes to a quick stop like it does, and it just doesn't stop. It's just like, you know, how it's reacting to the magnetic bearing there. Forgot to mention, but this is a glow in the dark too, by the way. Actually, well, this is supposed to be a glow in the dark fan, but unfortunately I took it into my bathroom to see if it was, and I had the light off and I had the door shut, pitch black, and I didn't see anything glowing. Maybe if it has to sit in a room for a while, I am not exactly sure. But anyhow, let's see if we can try to capture a little startup sound off of this thing. Here we go. Just has a little buzz to it. Okay, well with this going just straight to low to medium to high, and this being a push button, I think we're just going to capture that one and only startup sound on it. I'll go ahead and I'll capture it again. Okay. Okay. Not bad. Impressive little fan. I really don't go much for these modern fans like this. I do tend to go to more of the antiques and some of the vintage. But I think I'm going to get along with this one just fine. This one too. These are definitely going to come in handy for me. These make good office fans, car fans, even good sleeping time fans. But these are my two little. Well, technically, this one's my mother's. This one belongs to me. But these are my two little UBS table fans here. Actually, I think I'll go ahead and I'll start them up. If I can find that freaking switch on the back. Yeah. Okay, here we go. This one appears to be a tad bit more powerful than this one, but it seems like the airflow on this one is a bit better. If need be, I can do a comparison video on these later today if I'm not busy. Let's go ahead and turn them off. Oh, crap. Sorry about that, folks. Okay. Well, anyway, here you have it. Here's a video of my two little UBS portable desk fans here. I hope that you've enjoyed the video. Put in comments, like, subscribe, and have a good day and more videos to come. Bye-bye.